Hey lads, TechScanning here. So after merely a few hours of Pixel 9 Pro CAD-based renders were outed, we just now received the first look at the more affordable, the standard Google Pixel 9 alongside some key details. So starting off the biggest upgrade, unlike the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 has 3 camera sensors on its back and one of which, as we can see, the periscope zoom lens. Of course, the other two will be the wide and ultra wide lens. Now this is a welcoming upgrade to the standard model which will make it offer high quality optical zoom. And because of this addition, the standard Google Pixel 9 looks hugely similar to the Pixel 9 Pro that I covered in my previous video. Unlike its predecessor, the camera island is no longer joined with the side frame and now it's an oval shaped camera bar that ends near the frame. Another noticeable change, unlike the curved frame on the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 will have flat sides just like we have been seeing on the iPhones and also recently on the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Moving to the front of the handset, there is no surprise here, it has a flat display with a punch hole cutout in the top center. The bezel seems perfectly symmetrical, giving it an elegant look. Speaking of display, the Pixel 9 is expected to have a 6.1 inches display compared to the 6.2 inches on its predecessor. Google has made some dimension changes to the Pixel 9 Pro, and as per the tipster, the same will be the case with the standard Pixel 9. It is said to be measured 152.8 by 71.9mm with 8.5mm thickness, so making it marginally taller, wider and slimmer compared to its predecessor. On the major spec side, there are no details so far. However, as Google mostly launched the handsets in October, so there is plenty of time and we will surely get more details before the launch event. Of course, I will keep you updated. Anyway, let me know what are your thoughts on the standard Google Pixel 9 first look down in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.